Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, as being Muslim, we all have certain obligations to fulfill. And one of those obligations is seeking knowledge. Every single Muslim has to gain an amount of knowledge by which they can worship Allah Dhul Jalal wal Ikram properly, and they can fulfill their responsibilities towards Allah Dhul Jalal wal Ikram and the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. In order to gain this knowledge, you have to follow a system or a way of learning. For this very purpose, here at Greenland Masjid, we are conducting a comprehensive 6 weeks course where some basic and fundamental principles of religion pertaining to Aqeedah and belief and practice will be taught. And this course will be based on two main Arabic texts known as Al-Usul Thalatha and Al-Qawa'id Al-Arba. In order to register for this course, please follow the link, and this course is open for both brothers and sisters. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.